If you're looking for a way to streamline your content creation process, then this quick guide on how to create social media content with Descript is exactly what you need. Descript is a powerful tool that combines video editing and transcription in a way that's simple, intuitive, and fast. Whether you're making TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos, Descript helps you create professional content in record time. Stick with me until the end to learn how you can use Descript for free with an exclusive bonus I've got for you. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll notice when using Descript is its super intuitive interface. Once you upload your video or audio, Descript transcribes the entire file. This means you can edit your content by simply editing the text. You don't need to be a professional video editor to start making edits. Descript works in a way that allows you to cut out the filler words like or any awkward pauses just by deleting the corresponding text. This is huge for social media, where short and engaging content is key. Imagine being able to cut down a 10-minute video into a clean 3-minute clip with just a few clicks. Descript makes that easy. Another powerful feature of Descript is its screen recording capability. If you want to create tutorials, product demos, or just want to show something on your screen, you can easily record it with Descript. The built-in screen recorder captures both your screen and your voice, and it automatically generates captions so your audience can follow along even without sound. For social media content, Descript allows you to add subtitles, callouts, and even video clips, all directly from the timeline. This makes it so easy to create engaging content that captures attention. And the best part? You don't need to leave the software for anything. From editing audio to adding video effects, Descript is an all-in-one tool for creators. Now, for those of you looking to take your editing to the next level, Descript's overdub feature is a game changer. It allows you to type and have your voice speak whatever you write. If you make a mistake in your recording, you don't have to redo the whole line. Just type it in and Descript will generate that audio in your voice. This feature alone saves tons of time, especially when you're pressed for time creating multiple pieces of content. But you're not just limited to static content. Descript also integrates with popular platforms like YouTube and Dropbox, making it easy to directly export your videos. Whether you're looking to upload to Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, exporting is quick and easy. To make the most of Descript, start by organizing your content. Before editing, take a moment to plan out the sections you want to focus on. This way, you're not wasting time scrolling through the entire video. With Descript's timeline view, you can jump straight to the parts that matter most, speeding up your workflow. And remember, you don't need to be a professional video editor to get great results. Descript is all about accessibility. It's designed for creators, not editors, so even if you've never edited a video before, you'll be able to dive in and start creating social media content in no time. Before we wrap up, here's something special for you. If you want to try Descript for free, head to the link in the description. I've got an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you, so you can start creating your social media content without any risk. You'll have access to all the features I mentioned and more. So, whether you're looking to create quick social media content or fully edited videos, Descript has everything you need. Give it a try using the link below, and I promise you won't regret it. Happy content creating.